Hello friends, I miss you so much. Welcome to my online lesson here. Sorry it's paper and pen and my phone is standing on a water bottle, but it'll do. So 10.1 is area of a parallelogram and of a triangle. So super easy. You know parallelograms are going to be base times height, so the only thing you need to know here is which one is the height. So there's a rule that the height has to be perpendicular to the base. So the 12 one is perpendicular to 22. You're not going to use 17 here. So never use a slanted side for a height. So the height has to be up and down. So the formula for that is just base times height. So it's literally just 22 times 12. And that's 264. Now if this was inches, you would have inches times inches, and you would pick inches squared, or whatever it is. Centimeters squared, feet squared. All right, so the only thing that changes for a triangle, you still have to use your rule. The base and the height have to be perpendicular. So 4 is perpendicular to this side, this 5 and 3. If you turn it sideways, you can see it better. So you're not going to use this 6 or this 7. So the base is all of this. 5 plus 3 is 8. And the height is the 4. And then remember, for a triangle, you're taking half of that. Because if you take half of a parallelogram, you get a triangle. So half base times height, that just means half of 32, which is 16. All right, so same for this one. Since the height and base have to be perpendicular, kind of turn it sideways, you can see it. You're using the 5 and the 12, not the 13. So half of 5 times 12, half of 60, 30. So you know these formulas already, it's just a matter of knowing these new rules. All right, the last problem, there's 2 more. So if it's a weird triangle like this, you're literally thinking of how high this triangle is. So you're using the 18 as your height. And the base is not all of this. The base of this triangle is just this piece right here. So 5 is the base, 18 is the height. Not using that, not using that, not using that. 1/2 base height, 1/2, 18 times 5. 18 times 5 is 90. So half of 90 is 45. And I sent you a link to the calculator online. That's good if you don't have a calculator. All right, the last one doesn't have a picture with it. The area of a parallelogram is 100 centimeters squared and the height is 4. You're still using the area formula for a parallelogram. Area equals base times height. Except you know the area, you don't know the base. Height is 4, don't know the base. Well, what times 4 gives you 100? 25, because 100 divided by 4 is 25. So you're just using your formula to find a missing piece. I'm not going to do that one. But good luck with that assignment, and email me if you need help.